Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have, what we have?
I gotta tell him because you wasn't here, so I made it.
Oh, I know you made it. What we
got today, we got white rice. You know that already. We love the white rice. And we got honey barbecue salmon. How does it taste?
Wow.
Yes. You see the shyness?
Awesome. I have to take off my jacket for this.
Take off your jacket, my family. No cap, I'm starving. I ain't gonna lie.
Before we dig in, check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back. I know you like it, but I love it. It's time to eat.
Oh my gosh.
I'm starved. I ain't gonna lie.
That first taste, woo, that shocked me.
Shock you? What do you mean by shock you? That means that it tastes good.
It is spectacular.
Nice, right?
Come on.
Family? Every day I get better and better at cooking.
Every day I'm hustling.
I'm not a chef, but I could do my thing. One napkin?
No
one?
Yeah, one please.
Yes, family, back in the building, you know? Hope you enjoy the last day of the stimulus. You ain't getting no more stimulus. It's done now. How? No, want to find it.
That's the skin.
Yeah, give me it. Me have the skin. Crunchy too, man. That skin is good.
Yeah.
Family.
He's hungry.
Family. No, that skin is good. I fry it. I make sure I fry it good.
No, I know.
Oh. Family. Woo!
It's hard.
Here.
Oh.
Take a look.
And we have asparagus?
Yeah, we have asparagus too.
And family members said that this stuff don't be focusing. And they came there to bite it.
Well, sorry family, but listen. That camera is tricky.
The camera is tricky.
Tricky. Sometimes I want to focus when they want to focus, family. But listen, sorry if it's not focusing. Probably first day they have to show it, but I hope you have to see. But sometimes family it just don't focus, and the focus is there. I know what's wrong. We're in the verge. I'll get the next one.
This is very good.
This is good. Easy meal. Something easy and light. You in my belly? God damn.
I thought that was Vincent. That was you?
I'm my belly.
Your belly should be ashamed of yourself.
Family, my first meal of the day. I'm hungry. Yep.
I had some fruits earlier.
What? Better fruit and I
I feel like I'm far.
Far from the food?
Far from the food, man.
Alright family, let me just eat a little bit first.
Who can guess? Excuse me. Who can guess how old this jacket is?
If they guess, they get a prize?
Yes.
Wow, man. Damn. Why I do that? I tell them hungry, I want box of stuff on my mouth.
Yes, if you can tell me how old this jacket is, the lucky winner will get a prize.
Real talk, I don't even know how old it is. You can tell me off camera. First he got antiques.
I do.
First they got stuff in their closet that still haven't tagged. So look at me, can't wait him.
Because I don't wait for an occasion to buy something. If I see something and it's at a good price, so you know I'm very frugal. It depends, but I am frugal. If I see something that's at a good price, I buy it and put it down, and I say you never know. And those never knows always comes in handy. How many of you ladies have never knows in your closet? Like you never know when you're gonna need it, so you buy it and put it down. All of them have it.
All of them have it.
All of them.
Yeah, it's like everything dropping on my damn mouth. Guys, I'm hungry.
Look at the shine in the fish.
Shining.
Wow.
Asparagus is good. They're good.
It's barely an asparagus.
What, asparagus? They're all good.
But it's still a lot though.
Alright, it's done already, though. Alright, it's done. Trust me, like, no rice.
I give you my side?
I don't know. What side you give me about the rice? I don't know.
You got. This guy would start looking at his food before he even finished it, and he's already looking at it and saying, "It's gonna be done soon."
Yeah, rice is done. I only got 5 bites of the rice already. Rice finished, yo. I'm hungry, man. I think you had my side.
No. No. Here you go. Here's some more rice.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Family. Trust me. It's just one of those days, you know?
Yeah.
One of those days when your stomach talk to you. I have to run a couple errands, you know? Trying to start out some stuff.
Right. Your stomach talk to you every day.
Today talk better. So, you know? See that glistening salmon right there? I know it's glistening over there. Okay, she look better. Taste good?
It's very good.
Season good?
To perfection,
Good.
as usual.
Good.
Wow.
I know you have to
This
go
water bottle is loud. I can't even be inconspicuous.
Wow. Hope everybody had a wonderful day.
Every day I'm hustling.
You know what I'm saying?
Ooh.
Now I didn't want to put the food up there because the family said they can't focus with it. Now focus. So we can't show them. So I just gotta eat it.
Thank you guys for whenever we ask a question or ask you to leave a comment.
Guys,
You guys
do it.
be coming through. We appreciate that.
Greedy family come through. Always. Real talk, we appreciate that, no chat.
Yep.
We really appreciate that. See? We look forward to your comments, as we always say.
We do.
Sometimes first day, we be just chilling like, yo, what the hell? Where did we say this? We have to go back. You know what I'm saying? We have to go back in the video. And check it out.
I wonder, you guys ever made salmon like this? You've made it a couple of ways, honey. You've done it this way now. You fried it. I had made it with I had stuffed it with shrimp. Remember?
Yeah, mushed up.
Salmon is very versatile. So
It cooked good.
good. Before the camera even start to record, Richie said, "I can't wait till you say you're full so I can eat the rest of your food."
I sure did. Just one of those days today, I don't know. I feel extra hungry.
Well, you was doing a lot of stuff today, so.
Okay? Extra hungry. But I'm enjoying it. You see I'm eating slow because I don't want it done.
I guess that's slow.
It is slow. What happened? I am eating slow today. I ain't gonna lie, this is slower than usual.
Refreshing.
Yo,
the cups them come like say you can make a commercial enough.
yo, the cup now it's a freak, man.
You should do a commercial.
Now it's a freak, man, yo. Damn it. Wow. Y'all talk to us today, man. We talk too much, man. We talk too much. Why am I taking away grill? You talk too much, Robbie.
Give us some of the gravy.
I hope you like first aid outfit of the day, because I love it. Wow. What?
That's the first bone.
You want a bone? Exactly. You don't have bone like that.
Exactly.
You don't have bone like that.
It's the perfect kind of fish for kids.
It is. It sure is. You want my asparagus? So then, you have enough already, man.
You yam a lot? And my rice you want tonight? I try to fool me up on asparagus.
You're full already, man.
Richie's trying to get me full on asparagus so he can take my food.
Yeah, but I'm taking the food today.
I already peeped the game.
I'm taking it today. Where's I was a swim around? That one right there, season your free.
I know. Don't even try it. My side was not more than Richie's side. Stop it.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate y'all for saying that.
I heard them in the background.
No, I did hear them too.
But it's not right.
But I wasn't going to say nothing because I don't want to say, yo.
It's not right.
Richie, yeah. Your side was more than mine. You put the thing. See, they saw it for themselves. They sure did. They saw it for themselves. Yes, I'm drinking the next soda. I'm off.
Wait.
I'm off. I can drink my soda.
What does you been off have to do with you drinking a soda?
Yeah, I can't drink soda when I work. Excuse me. This berry one is nice, man. I just knew one there. Like it. Yeah, family. I do drink soda. And then I flush it out with some water after. So I drink a lot of water too, as I said before. Y'all might think I don't drink water. I drink a lot of water. While I work, I gotta drink a lot of water. But family don't like when you don't see your food, yeah? I know you see the comment.
I feel in business that's enough.
For real. What? Me that? Me that? Yeah, family, this is good.
You want some more rice?
Yeah, give me the rice, man. Yeah, give me fish and now give me rice.
Because usually, like I said, leave your some around for the end. There you go.
Thank you.
I don't know. It seems like you ate that food pretty fast.
That's slow.
Maybe I should give you more rice. Excuse me. It seems like I gave you a lot of rice though, honey.
Yeah.
You love rice bad.
Rice is small today.
They see me check a run out. Can't afford rice.
See me check, don't know. Hope I know you enjoy those dishes. You know what I mean? Don't forget, if you want to holler at us on Instagram, email, about any question, anything you want us to talk about, feel free.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Always.
Again, ain't nobody perfect. Right?
Very true.
Everybody have faults. So, don't be shy. Holla at us. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Juice drink good at that cup, right?
Yeah, man.
I like it. I'm not gonna say it. I already tell you. You already know. They already know my size. I ain't tell them again. They already know my size.
Oh my God, my gamble.
A late night, big up yourself. You already know, because I asked the question, you say yes. Your size is small and 30 pounds skinny. Big up yourself, a late night, alright? Bless up, family. You full first, lady? Almost. Almost done.
You almost full?
No, almost done. Full.
But are you full though?
No, I'm not. I'm still hungry, I told you. You know what I'm lying?
So you gonna eat after this? A bowl of cereal?
You don't have a piece of fish on the list still.
Oh, I do have a...
Didn't forget.
It's like I make you some more rice.
Yeah, I mean, you have a piece of bread in my a piece of bun.
Yo, I can go straight yardy.
I eat the fish with a piece of bun.
Straight yardy. You ain't make nothing hold him back. The rice could be not cooked and Richie still gonna have it.
You know, we bought 2 buns in one week. And I brushed on the 2 buns them already.
Wow.
You see that, right? See? That's my sister. My sister, aka wife, Chatty Shitty. You see? We say the same thing at the same time. That's crazy. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Word of wisdom. Alright. Take a sip. What are you looking at?
Damn sip, yo.
Yo, are your mouth or my mouth?
Fuck you. Every fucking time you take a sip. I'm gonna sip you on tech.
I'm a joke, I drink my soda. Family. Alright. When someone does something wrong, don't forget about all the things they did right.
So are you gonna use that?
You chat too much sometime, my youth. When someone
Richard does not apply that to himself, family. I'm gonna tell the truth.
Don't forget about all the good things they did right.
I hope you apply that to yourself because, family, let me tell you something. Richard needs to apply that to himself because he don't do that. I tell the business.
Tell him where you want to tell him.
Richie, you could do 100 things right, and if one thing you do wrong, my God, he's not gonna let you forget it.
You're damn right, but not forget it. But yeah, do that. I chat too much sometimes. You remember the good things I do for you? Make sure you remember that too.
Yep. And then he gotta make sure he tell you what he did for you too.
He did right.
Fire.
Damn right. You would think I just read. You said don't forget the good things. Like,
when you do something good, you don't have to express it. It's already in the universe. Alright. It comes off your soul, off your energy. You see, when you do something good, your energy is just, it's like an aura. You understand? So you don't have to express what you do for people. You understand?
Well, you just say you just said the same thing to me. You say I don't one thing you do wrong, I will never forget. Forget it.
You see? I'm talking nonsense. That's why you're joking.
Okay, I chat too much. So I appreciate that.
You okay, honey?
That shit on my chest, son.
Really?
It's nice. That's why. Stop at the wrong throat. Wow. I ain't stopping eating, though.
That is true. All the coughing. Now one time they just stopped eating. My gosh, Mr. the man.
You don't eat? We appreciate you. We share it with y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. And if you're watching, now is the time to subscribe because you read this for us, so subscribe and get us there. We appreciate y'all. There y'all first day.
The Greedy family. We are 200 subscribers away from 3,000. And then, before you know it, boom, we're at 10,000. Thank you very much.
Speak in existence.
Yes. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.
I ain't gonna lie. I thought you give him some more free rice, you won't give him the damn rice, you want like a little bunch of rice right in that fridge, in that cupboard.